Beautiful vehicles of the Swiss Confederation have joined the range.
Der Swiss Express war ein ganz markanter und
The Swiss Express was a striking and above all well-known train that came onto the rails in Switzerland in the mid-1970s. It ran from Zurich to Geneva and back. There were great engines and great cars that were specially designed and built for this train. We are celebrating the train's 50th anniversary by not only dedicating one new construction to it, but several.
Ja, widmen wir diesem Zug nicht nur eine, sondern mehrere Neukonstruktionen. Das beginnt mit der Lok.
It starts with the locomotive and continues with the passenger cars. And as a little treat, we also have the former freight train cab car, the so-called Sputnik, which was scrapped after its time in the freight trains. A certain number were used as coupling cars for the Swiss Express. We will offer the locomotive, cars and coupling cars to our customers as a completely new construction.
Werden wir als komplette Neukonstruktion unseren Kunden anbieten.
The RE442 reveals significant design differences compared to its sister machines.
Der markanteste Unterschied ist, dass die Lokomotiven der
The most striking difference is that the locomotives of the first series had only one pantograph installed. Later there were always two, and the locomotives for the Swiss Express were given an extended buffer beam, because the cars were equipped with an automatic coupler. The locomotive looks even more powerful and striking due to this longer buffer beam at the front.
Stoßbalken, den die Lok vorne hat.
The color scheme is beautiful. The Swiss call it Cremeschnittli. It really whets our appetite.
Ja, auf jeden Fall. Der Zug macht
Absolutely, the train is fun. In the original it was 14 cars long, or 15 if you count the locomotive. The order of the cars was always the same. So on the way to Zurich, you had the first-class car with the baggage compartment directly behind the locomotive. Then came the first-class cars, the dining car, and then a whole range of second-class cars. In our case, the last second-class car is equipped with built-in rear lighting. And, of course, the entire train also has interior lighting and buffer storage. In the dining car, we lit the table lamps. That's a very nice detail. And because we used a multi-part and therefore multicolored interior, the whole train looks good, especially the dining car, which has many different colors, and that's a big highlight.
und das ist wirklich ein ganz großes Highlight.
Von welchem Längenmaß?
What scale are we talking about here? This is the full-length scale, because these cars were relatively short in the prototype. We are here in the full-length scale of 1:87.